Trucks pulling together on a rough road. A machine loading timber onto itself. Don't miss the action. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more amazing moments. Talk about a plot twist. 1 minute the LKTA-1 turbo's in control. The next it's hanging by a thread. Nature's got a wicked sense of humor. Don't get complacent out there. The men and women who hold timber face a challenge. An often dangerous job. Let's keep them in our thoughts and hope for their continued well-being. How is this tractor still running after all these years? It's the perfect combination of durable design and skilled operation. This Alta Tifa proves that age is just a number. Do not skid up. Folks, picture this. A forest ravaged by wind. Now imagine the Ecolog 688 coming to the rescue. It navigates effortlessly through the debris, its crane reaching out like a helping hand. The precision cutting head. It's like a surgeon's scalpel, making clean cuts and clearing the way. But don't just visualize and watch the video. A captivating journey through the forest awaits. We're heavily loaded. Vehicles must traverse slippery road with the assistance of heavy equipment, all while facing significant risks. It's a wild and mesmerizing experience. Wouldn't you agree? Unleash the beast. The Komatsu 951 armed with the C140 for head redefines harvesting prowess. It's multifunctional. Hydraulic system dances to the operators everywhere, while the ergonomic cabin whispers promises of a fatigue-free day. The C-140 for head, a marvel of precision engineering, devours trees with surgical accuracy, maximizing yield and minimizing waste. This dynamic duo transforms every harvest into a ballet of efficiency. I love you so much. When it comes to land clearing, efficiency is key. Utilizing a mid-sized excavator such as the Deere 135 significantly optimizes stump removal. This strategic approach not only saves time and labor, but also adds an element of enjoyment to the process. After all, who doesn't love a bit of demolition? Behold the jarkwreck of Afro-Larga HRM, a beast unleashed upon the forestry world. But buck and treacherous terrain tremble before its might. This forwarder doesn't just work, it dominates, turning logging nightmares into effortless triumphs. Engineered to conquer. It's a testament to power and precision, making every job feel like child's play. Glitter. Mind-blowing, this DIY marvel harnesses the diet's might effortlessly, leaving stubborn stumps into manageable chunks. Final step, bulldoze the remnants away. Pure unadulterated power. Now, even Holly here, there are no ordinary horses. These ladies are Brabant mares, and they just made pulling a 2 Tantra on a 34-degree winter day look like a Sunday stroll. Pure class, wouldn't you say?